Hello everyone, so if you're having any issues on your Wi-Fi on your Redmi A3, so here's ways how to fix them. So first of all, open up your settings. Now find your network and internet. Find your internet tab. And here at the top right corner, you can find this fix icon. So tap on it, and this will refresh the network adapter on your phone without disconnecting from the networks. However, if this doesn't solve the problems, I recommend you doing the following things. So go back to your menu, back once again, scroll down, find your system tab. It's right here, select it. Now scroll down until you see your reset options there at the bottom. And here you are to choose to reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So confirm your choice by pressing reset. And basically that's it. I hope this helped. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.